If you want to take the family out on an outdoor vacation, you need to check this thing out. It's down here at Parris RV, and I've got Brett Parris here with me, who's telling me that this is the ultimate family trailer. Now, this has so many features. We just got to get started on it, Brett.
Yeah, you know, it really is the perfect trailer for a family. It's a 2021 Rockwood Ultra Lite, and the model's called a 2892RB, and it is a fifth wheel, and it's designed to go behind those brand new late model half-ton trucks because it weighs 9,900 pounds.
And it's for good reason it weighs that much, because even though we love family togetherness when we're camping or on vacation, you also want that alone time, and this gives parents their own space and kids their own space.
You know, it's absolutely amazing. It's got 4 slide outs in this short compact fifth wheel. It's got a slide out in the master bedroom where you've got your master suite and then your great big bathroom up there with your glass shower door, great big all-in-one bath, and then you transition down into the kitchen / living area, and you've got 2 slide outs on each side which make it feel big and open. You've got a TV, you've got a fireplace, you've got an island kitchen with solid surface countertops, everything right there that you need. And then you get to the back, which is really probably the best spot when you're a parent.
It's a little surprise. You go behind a door that you think is a bathroom, and what do you find there, Brett?
Well, you find a great big bunk room with a 4th slide out in there. So you've got a great big oversized bunk, you've got a couch that'll make down to another bed, and then you've got a bunk above the couch, so you can really sleep like 4 to 5 kids in that back area. Plus they've got their own half bath, so you've got a bath and a half. Parents got their own bath, and then kids have a half bath, so you don't have to share the sink or the toothbrushing area or anything with your family.
This is amazing. I want a house that's designed like this, or maybe I should just move into here because it really is such smart use of space. You have closets in the kids area, TV area, and then not only do you have all the inside space, but if you look outside, there's also an outdoor living and kitchen area that fully compacts when you're ready to go. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so you've got a great big kitchen like you mentioned on the inside with that island, but then you've got a second kitchen on the outside with a griddle, with a stove, with a fridge for your favorite beverage, and you've got another TV. You've got a 3rd TV that's built on the outside, so under your power awning, you just push a button, put your awning out, you can kick back out here, you know, cook and have TV, everything outside.
This is so amazing, and it seems like it is pretty easy to maneuver. How easy or difficult are these slide outs to get in and out?
You know, everything on this is push button for the slides, push button for the jacks, push button for the awning. Everything is super simple, and it's got a fully enclosed sealed heated underbelly with tank heater, so you can go out in the cold weather and take your family out in the off season.
I would never buy another plane ticket again. We are only doing road trips in this thing, so I'm ready to grab the family and get on the road. Thank you so much, Brett. Where do people find you?
Yeah, this particular one is at our North Murray location, which is 4360 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Awesome. I will.